Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to send USDT from MEXC to Kucoin. First of all, you need to log into your MEXC account, then go to the wallet on the top right menu and go to the spot account. In this list, you need to find USDT and on the right side, you need to click withdraw. Now we need to search for the network. Let's scroll this down and let's find BIP20. It has got the lowest fees, so I suggest you to use BNB Smart Chain Network. And let's go to the Kucoin to find BNB Smart Chain Network wallet address. So let's go to the assets on the top right corner, go to the funding account. And in this list, we need to find USDT. If you can't find it, you can use the search bar. Just type USDT inside the search and click deposit on the right side of the USDT. Let's select the network. So we want to select the same network, BIP20. And let's copy this wallet address. Let's go back to MEXC and paste the wallet address inside this gap. As you can see, we have got fixed fee 0.5 USDT. It doesn't matter, guys. You will send 1000 or 10 USDT. The fee will be fixed, guys. For example, you're sending 100 USDT. The fee will be 0.5, so you will receive 99.5 USDT on your Kucoin account. Just click submit, and in maximum 3 minutes you can check your balance on Kucoin. To check your balance, you need to go to the assets again, go to the funding account, and right here you will see your USDT balance, guys. So that's all I wanted to show you. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.